Is it in the house? Like, don't piss me off. Oh, here. I think. Yeah. Yeah. I'm taking a cord. I'm taking a cord. And I don't know where to put this cord. But I'm gonna try to put it under the statue. No! I don't know how... Can this even go this far? Damn! It's a long cable. Alright, where do I put it? Where am I putting it? Where am I putting it? In here? Where am I putting it? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. No! 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 Oh my god! Did it zip all the way back up? Ah! Oh, you gotta be kidding. God damn it. Alright, come here, you... Come here! Did I put it in here? That doesn't make sense.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day...
We all just saw that fling off screen, didn't we? Yeah, cool. I legitimately thought that's like where I needed to put it. Like, it makes sense that it would go here, like in one of these things. Where do I put this cable? No, 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 you come back here.
And who can say if your love
I can't keep living like this.